Dear students, let us today see how we can convert from one system to another with the help of dimension. Now, conversion of units with the help of dimension. Now, let us see how to convert from one system to another. Let a quantity have a dimension of m to the power of a, l to the power of b, and t to the power of c. In one unit, so this is the first unit. In the first unit, the dimension of a quantity is m1 to the power of a, l1 to the power of b, and t1 to the power of c. In the second unit, this is the second unit. In the second unit, the dimensions are say m2 to the power of a, l2 to the power of b, and t to the power of c. This is the first unit and this is the second unit. In the first unit, let the numerical value be n1, and in the second value, the numerical value be n2. Now, I will tell you in details what we mean by the numerical value. Now, since dimensions are same in both the units or in any units, we can write it as like this: m1 to the power of a, m1 to the power of a, l1 to the power of b, t1 to the power of c is equal to n2 to the power of m2 to the power of a, l2 to the power of b, and t to the power of c. We can write it like this. So we can write n2 is equal to we can write it as n1 into m1 by m2 to the power of a. Then we can write this as l1 by l2 to the power of b. And lastly, this will come as t1 by t2 to the power of c. Now, this is the value of n2. This is the value of n2. If you want to write n1, then n1 will be here, n will be n2, and it will be m2 by n1, l2 by l1, and t2 by t1, and so on and so forth. Now, let us take an example and see how we can convert from one unit to the another. Now, let's take the example of acceleration due to gravity. So let's take the example of acceleration due to gravity. Now we all know the value of acceleration due to gravity g is 980 centimeters per second squared in CGS unit, and we convert the whole thing to SI unit. Find out the value of g in SI unit. That we will find out the value of g in SI unit. Now let us see how to do it. Now before changing the unit, we must know the dimension of g. The dimension of g is acceleration. So what is the dimension? Dimension is, so we will find out the dimension. The dimension is for acceleration gravity is how much? m0, l1, and t minus 2. That's the dimension. So here a equals to 0, b equals to 1, and c equals to minus 2. That's the value of a, b, and c. Now let us see how we convert from CGS to SI. Now this is the way to write n2. So we can write how much is n2 then? Then how much is n2? We can write n2 is equal to, what is n1? n1 is the numerical value. So what is the numerical value in CGS unit? The numerical value in CGS unit is 980. So we write here as 980. Now this is m1 by m2. That is mass by, this has the dimension of mass. So we will write it as in CGS system. In CGS system, mass is 1 gram, and in SI system, mass is 1000 gram or 1 kilogram. 1000 gram or 1 kilogram. Then this comes for length. In the length, the measurement of the length L1 in CGS unit is 1 centimeter, and in SI system it is 1 meter or 100 centimeter. For time, we can write it as 1 second by 1 second. So we should remember that time has same units. So time has same unit in both CGS as well in SI. So this is to the power of m1 by m2 to the power of a. What is the value of A here? This is 0. What is the value of L1? L here is B. B is how much? B is 1. So we are right here 1. And what is the value of time? Time is minus 2. So let us now find out the value of N2. So let's see what is the value of N2 now. So N2 is 980 into this, anything to the power of 0 is 1. So write here 1. Here this 1 centimeter by 100 centimeters. So we write it as 1 by 100. So we can see that unit centimeter gets cancelled out. So it is 1 by 100. Into, again this 1 by 1. So this is 1 again here. So the value of N2 is how much? It is 9.8. Because 980 by 100 it is 9.8. And the unit is meters per second square. This is how we convert from CGS to SI. So the value of SI will be how much? It will be around 9.8 meters per second square. So this is how we convert from CGS to SI. Now let's take another example.